For this buddy math activity, this is make it equal subtraction expressions. So this is pretty similar to buddy math last week with make it equal. Last week you had addition expressions, but this week you're making subtraction expressions. So you're taking away. So the materials you need are numeral cards, 1 equal sign, and 2 subtraction signs, a recording sheet, and a marker. So step 1, arrange your numeral cards from 0 to 10, including the extra 5. Step 2, place the equal card in between you and your partner. Step 3, look at the 4 numbers that are written next to number 1 on your recording sheet. So for this one, it should be 9, 10, 2, and 1. And you're going to take those numbers and you're going to place them down on the floor. Step 4, make 2 equivalent subtraction expressions using the 4 numbers that you just pulled. So right now you should have number 9, 10, 2, and 1 out. And you're going to place them in the right order to make this equivalent expression. Blank minus blank equals blank minus blank. Remember, just like last week, this side of the expression, blank minus blank, figure out what that equals, should be the same as what this equals, blank minus blank. And you're going to write it on your recording sheet once you find the correct order that makes an equivalent expression. Then you're going to take those same 2 numbers and you're going to write a new equivalent expression and write that on your recording sheet. Step 5, you're going to repeat steps 1 through 4 with the new numbers that you see on the left-hand side of your recording sheet. Don't forget to take a picture on Seesaw.